never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my stand.
We are headed out to get some Korean barbecue in Carrollton, one of the other submarkets in DFW. James, tell us about Carrollton.
Really starts sort of north Dallas, a little bit west of Tollway, and goes all the way up to George Bush. Start to see a lot of 80s and 90s construction. Carrollton is always super full in terms of schools are better than Dallas ISD, so properties really get up to 150, 160, 170 a door on Class B properties. It's come down a little bit.
Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer.
Where are we going to eat today?
Another
Not sure
reason
yet.
to breathe is air. And now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen
Plenty of meat on the bone.